and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll share with you an amazing tool that lets you turn your imagination into beautiful pictures with just a text prompt. So without any further ado, let's jump right in. Head over to the browser and search for Gemini. Yes, this tool is not just for your content creation, it also creates beautiful images with just the text. Let's have a look at this with an example. Here in the search bar, type in what you want to generate. Let's say we need a futuristic cityscape featuring bioluminescent architecture, lush gardens suspended in mid-air, and advanced flying vehicles photographed from a low angle. Now, just click on Submit icon over here. And within no time, you'll have an amazing AI-generated image which you can download by clicking here. That's it for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more such content. Thanks for watching.